Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another affordable smartwatch from Shopee. This is the COLMI P71. Let's go. So how are you? It's been a while guys. I'm quite busy with work, but today we have here another smartwatch from Shopee, and this is the COLMI P71. So without further ado guys, let's do the unboxing. So here it is guys, the COLMI P71 smartwatch, and guys at the moment you can get this one for around 599 pesos only. Okay, so here is the front of the box. So we have here the COLMI branding on top, and what we have here is the gold color P71. And at the back, so we have here the quick specifications. So we have here call function, calorie, heart rate, sleep monitor, sports mode, weather, notifications, and start shutter. Let's do the unboxing. And yes, what you have here guys is a gold color, as you can see. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, we have here the manual. Okay, so if you have any questions, just refer to your manual guys. And then we have here the wireless charging cable. What we have here is our COLMI P71 smartwatch. So this is the strap guys, as you can see. So it is made of like silicone, and okay, this is the sensors here and the charging pins. And we have here like the button here, and this is a microphone. So let's take this one out guys. Alright, so it is now on guys. So let's see what we have here. Here when we scroll down, so we have here notifications. Okay, and then also the brightness. Okay, and then when we swipe up, we have here the shortcut for message, and we swipe to the left, we have here telephone, okay, call, voice assistant, okay, and also the heart rate sensor, okay, also the SpO2. So this is pretty nice guys. And then okay, when we swipe to the right, so we have here now our menu. So we have here sports. So we have here walking, running, cycling, okay, hiking, rope skipping, and we also have here elliptical, rowing, yoga, and many more guys, dance, climbing. So this is really good for person who wants to go to do exercise. We have here sports record, okay, there, today's data, we have telephone. So guys, this COLMI P71 is you can actually do a Bluetooth calling. So whenever you call someone using this watch, you can actually speak to them, and this is the microphone. So this is pretty nice guys if you are working remotely, quite away from your phone. We also have here voice assistant, okay, and then we have heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. We have here sleep, SpO2, and then we also have here the blood pressure guys. Wow, let's try to check the blood pressure. So let's try to check our blood pressure guys. Okay, so we have here so this is our blood pressure guys. It's 116/73. So it's not bad. And guys, just a reminder, this is just for reference only. Okay, it doesn't mean that it will be your accurate blood pressure. This is just for reference. And then we also have here Zen mode. Okay, all right, we have here alarm and the weather. We have flashlight and then timer. We also have your stopwatch and calculator guys. We also have camera remote, okay, and games. Wow, there's game guys. And then message, music control, female health. This is for women on their menstruation. And then preferences. So we have the theme and the brightness, time format, date format, vibration intensity. We also have here the dial setting or the watch faces. So you can choose whichever you like. And then we also have here find my phone. Okay, so you can set this one there, and the QR code, this is the QR code if you want to download the application. We have also your language, restart, power off, and the system, the COLMi P71. So guys, I have used this product for a couple of days, and all I can say is that it's doing its job, and the battery is really long lasting. So I really recommend this smartwatch, guys, as present, especially this holiday season, or if you want to give a present to your friend, then this watch can be very good option. Yes, and this is also nice for students. Yes, so I really recommend this watch. It's not expensive. It's just only 599 pesos, or that's around $12. All right, so guys, for me, it's a good smartwatch. Okay, especially if you are a new, especially if you are new to this kind of watch. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you're interested, guys, to the store, just tap on the link on the description box and you can check this smartwatch out. Okay, so once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.